Welcome to the seventh night. Tonight and tomorrow is for the coming months, July of the coming year. Let's begin with our daily rituals. The month July is the month of the Cancer, and the Cancer really represents the home, your soul, how you carry for yourself, how you nurture yourself. Also, if you are adventurous or if you're more sensitive and you really need to take care of your inner world, it is really the soul connection. And as the soul is always represented in your home, I invite you to look around. Where do you live? How do you live? Which pictures are you having on the wall? Which furniture? Which clothes? Really getting aware of all the things you surround yourself. Is this really supporting you, nourishing you? Or is there time to change, to let go, or to readjust and organize your home in a new way? This is a bigger question for you to tune in, how to adjust. And on the soul level, I have a beautiful journal exercise for you to get more clarity on different levels. So get your journal ready and make some different steps. One is the emotional, the mental, the physical and sexual, and anything else which you feel. Maybe it is the health or any other topic which needs an extra awareness, where you want to clear and raise your awareness and change something. Then you write down the now, where you are now in your emotional state, for example, and your goals. And you make this for every single topic. And then there is the main part, and it's really following step by step the way how you get from where you are now to your goal. And that can be like you first need to clear something, you need to raise your awareness. Or maybe you actually get super angry and you're frustrated and disappointed of where you are. Then it is also important to write that down. Right now I feel really disappointed because I feel emotional. I'm not met with my need, for example. And then you write down, like, once you really were diving into this angriness and disappointment of that your needs are not met, then you write down, okay, they are really not met. How can I move forward? What would be the first thing which gives me a little relief and motivation. And when you feel this like, a tiny relief, then this is the right direction. And you write down step by step by step for every single topic. This is to find some more soul nourishment for this coming months. Thank you for joining me today. Continue with the rituals for tonight and tomorrow.